In this section, I just want to briefly mention something called the meta keyword list or keyword tag. Back in the day when things like Alta Vista and similar search engines were just starting up, this is actually very important for SEO. Google are now on record as saying this has been spammed so much that they just ignore it. So, in the head area of your website, you've got your title and your description. Even now, you still see lots of websites with an extra bit that says meta name, keywords, and then a whole load of keywords. So as you can see in this case, the keywords I'd be using would be SEO, search engine optimization, SEO training, SEO seminars, SEO tutorials, SEO workshops. Now, just by reading that, you can see it looks really, really spammy. And that's basically the conclusion that Google came to as well. So Google doesn't use these. Most search engines, I think, just ignore this term now because it has been spammed so much. The only reason I mention it is I still find occasionally videos on YouTube and saying, oh, what you want is a keyword meta statement within your head area. Well, it's nonsense. You don't actually need it anymore. In fact, let's go and see what Google says about this.
So we had an interesting question from someone who just asked me, how much do you use the keyword or keywords meta tag in your main search results? And the answer is basically not at all. So let's talk about that in a little more detail because
Well, there we have it. This is from Matt Cutts, who used to be the chief sort of anti-spam engineer at Google. And as you can see, how much do they use it? Basically not at all. So that answers that question. So this is something you just don't have to worry about. If you've got it, maybe you've got a website and you've got a meta keyword statement in there, it's probably not going to do you any harm. It just won't do you any good. Certainly if you're creating a brand new website, don't even bother creating this. It's a waste of time.